Everything is going up in price these days, so we need to take money seriously. In this video, I'll be showing you 2 simple steps to get you on your way to saving up to £242 per month. Are you guilty of convincing yourself that digital luxuries are worth it? YouTube Premium, Spotify, Netflix, and Amazon Prime. Not seeing cash in real life, spending can feel too easy. In 2018, Prime members spent an average of $1,400 per year on Amazon, whereas non-Prime members spent around $600 per year. That means Prime members have more than 2 times the annual spend of non-Prime members. My spending became a problem in 2022 with Amazon Prime. I spent an average of £107 per month in 2023. Without Prime, I'm averaging £43 per month, and I'm working on getting that down too. Where is the $1,000 worth of crap I order from Amazon anyway? Deleting Prime made me more intentional with purchases, and because of this, I've been able to save an additional £64 per month by simply spending less. Start noting down all of the direct debits you have for things like Netflix and Amazon Prime. Ask yourself, can I live without this? I'm not going to sit here and suggest you delete all of your favorite apps, only to be more intentional and mindful with the ones that you choose to keep. YouTube Premium, Dropbox, Amazon Prime, Adobe, Netflix, Epidemic Sound, Google Services, Canva, and Audible. Similarly to the Amazon Prime story, I used to pay for YouTube Premium. It was a joy to sit on YouTube for 8 hours per day, ad-free. After deleting YouTube Premium, my screen time halved. This one has saved me money and my mental health. I spend way less time watching content. This pattern continues. Remember, these companies spend millions every year figuring out ways to make what you see on screen more addictive. And don't forget, the price is perfect. It's done so perfectly that you almost don't mind them charging you every month. I can hear what you're saying.
But I use Netflix all the time. Is that a good thing? But next day delivery is worth it. Is it? Watching ads on YouTube is a waste of time. Or save your time by not watching YouTube at all.
It's these excuses that are costing you hundreds of dollars every month. Do you think you can't survive in a world with ads? Or you have to talk to your girlfriend of an evening instead of watching Netflix? It's the convenience that makes you spend. Netflix making you watch until the very end. We're distracted from what matters. Time unwisely spent, willingly missing an important event. Dopamine should never be the goal. It can easily mislead and get out of control. All of these digital conveniences that we've been taught we need, we don't. Your time and money are being exchanged for a tiny bit of convenience in your life. I'm not going to stand here and pretend I'm rolling around in spare cash because I gave up YouTube Premium, but I'll say this much. Not spending £242 per month feels great, and it's improved my mental health considerably. It's a double bonus for me, and it could be for you too.